we've finished up the second side of the subframe connectors. So the gusset's in place, the front gusset's in place, it's fish plated, and then I've gone and remounted the floor cross member here. So this is all welded in place. The only thing I got to do now is make up some plates to kind of attach this cross member to the subframe connector on both corners and then on top. Once we get the brackets made for this, there's a couple of tiny little spots I need to fix. You know, a little hole here, little details here and there that I just need to patch up before we move to the next area. We have to put in the outer wheel well on this side like we did on the other side. And then once we get that in, then it's flip it over and start welding from the inside, because there's tons of, like, basically all this work that I've done here, I've only welded from the outside, most of it. And I basically have to flip it over and do the inside welding on all of this stuff. It's gonna be like a week worth of welding doing that. I'm gonna customize the rear tailboard and put in 4 taillights. It's like an old hot rodder thing from the back in the day, where I don't think it was very typical for this year of Mustang, but in like the 64s and 65s, before they went to the dish taillights, it was like a thing where guys would put in extra set of taillights, so there was like 4. So what I'm gonna do, I got a new one, and I'm gonna cut out the old taillight and basically weld it into the new one right beside the factory one. So I'll end up with 4 taillights, and then I'm thinking I'm gonna try and go with like a sequenced LED. So it'll be like from inside to outside, like the old Thunderbirds and stuff, or the old Cougars. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell button to keep updated on all the projects we have going in the shop. Don't forget, as always, be the solution.